If I would have learned the right knowledge in the beginning, it would have probably taken like 6 months, even less. Yo man, what's good? Good morning, happy Sunday. Let's have a great ass day, great ass week, profitable money making week, and let's just develop a lot. But quick little update, I just finished up a weekly market analysis call with the students in my Discord, and we had an amazing call. Everybody learned. But what is a weekly market analysis in the first place? It is basically an overview of the upcoming week. Which days are we not going to trade? Which days are we going to trade? We're going to check the news. We checked the news already. We checked the price action, the upcoming week's price action, and basically are we going to buy or sell in the beginning of the week, looking at the charts, etc., and looking at different pairs. And I'm just going to tell you like this, bro. Do not trade tomorrow on Monday. It is US bank holiday, okay? If you're watching this today, do not trade tomorrow on Monday, okay? US bank holiday, basically the markets are closed. Markets will move sideways, no volume. So do not trade, okay? Do not trade tomorrow. But yeah, man, bro, I'm gonna hit the gym relatively soon. I'm gonna hit some push day, best gym session there is, the push day. What is push day? Literally just chest, shoulders, bunch of shit. And that's how it goes. But I'm gonna eat some food before that. I'm drinking my coffee, drinking water. But yeah, if you're new here, you may wonder, who am I? Well, I'm a day trader, 17 years old. I have been day trading for 3.5 years. I know I started when I was 14 in middle school, introduced to by my friend. Like, my friend introduced me to trading. That's how it all started. But yeah, now I've been trading profitably, making money consistently 1.5 years. Okay, I make around, on average, 500 to 800 bucks. Sometimes there are bigger days, 1.5 thousand, which is my biggest day. So, something like that. And I'm just here to show everything, show the reality point of view of a trader. There's no need to show every highlight like all these motherfucking gurus only show you their highlights. Bro, I'm not here because of that. I'm here to show you everything, whatever it takes for you to learn it, okay? I'm here to motivate, innovate, educate. But yeah, I was losing for 2 years, I'm being honest. But now I've been profitably, constantly 1.5 years, like I told you. There was up and downs, but I would have learned way faster if I would have learned from the right people and not from gurus. So that's why I'm here, to teach you, like I told you, innovate, motivate, and educate. And if you want to learn more, learn exactly what I do in the markets completely for free, learn my strategy, then it should be the first link in the description. It also gets you to the Discord, free course, free community, everything that you need. But yeah, man, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna eat some food, hit the gym, and I'll update you in a minute, okay? Yo man, what's good? So I came home from the gym, as you can see, and it's getting kind of late in my country, I'm not going to lie. But overall pretty solid day. But I'm gonna just talk to you about something. So I came from the gym, I was, just about to go to my closet, open my closet, and I saw my fucking creatine is finished. If you don't know what is creatine, it's like a supplement that gym people use. I'm like, fuck. So, tomorrow I'm gonna go buy some creatine, because now I just put some meat in the oven, some like good meat in the oven. Pause. But gotta get my protein up. I'm about to eat some eggs as well. But yeah, creatine, I gotta get that shit. I'm gonna do it tomorrow, because tomorrow is like the US bank holiday, and I might go just see some friends and maybe go to buy some clothes, some drip or something. That actually reminded me, someone asked me the other day, this guy came into my DMs and like, yo Adriel, I respect you, man, I see you making some good money in trading. I'm like, thank you bro. And he asked me like, what do you spend your money on? Like, are you just growing your account? And I was like, I take some withdrawals from my account. I have a live account, I withdraw money from it sometimes here and there, and if I spend it, it's mainly just investing it. And I don't have a driver's license, so I cannot buy a car. I mean, I can buy a car, but I couldn't drive it, so what's the point? And I heard driver's license takes like 6 months to make, and I don't even know, can I complete it yet at my age, at 17? I gotta make some research. Watches are cool, I could buy some watches, but I mainly like to invest my money into myself, and obviously into, put some money back into the stock market. I day trade, obviously, I day trade, the S&P 500, but also S&P 500 is actually really good long-term investment as well. 7% a year average. I'm not a financial advisor, but that's just basic knowledge. So I day trade the S&P and I invested into it a little bit. Okay, so obviously it's pretty good, man. It's like if you don't want to keep the money in the bank, you can just put that in there. But I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take my advice. Take my advice on trading. Okay, I do day trading, so in long-term investing it's a little bit different stuff. And to myself, I like to invest into knowledge. I can buy a fucking course if I want to learn a skill. I can buy a course, or a freaking one-on-one shit. And that's the beauty of it. Okay, you should never be afraid investing into yourself, because if I want to learn how to do some other business shit or something, grow on social media or something, I can just pay someone to help me and not just do it all by myself. Because when I started day trading, it took me 2 years of losing to start day trading to become profitable. And if I would have learned the right knowledge in the beginning, it would have probably taken like 6 months, even less. But now I learned. So now if I want to learn a skill, I'm paying for it, man. Obviously I know some people don't have the money. Sometimes you gotta hustle, man. You gotta hustle. And that's a quick little fact about me, how I spend my money. But let's be honest, I'm not that big of a materialistic person. Mainly right now I'm just investing into myself and to make more money eventually, because I'm delaying gratification. But never be scared to invest in yourself. That's a quick little fact for me, like tip for me today. And yeah, man, that's about that. But now I'm gonna eat the food. I'm gonna make me some eggs as well. I think the meat is about to be ready. About to take that from the oven. Eggs, and you know how it goes. Tomorrow I'ma take it easy, obviously, because there's bank holiday. There's nothing much I can do, and maybe I can help some of my members in the Discord, the premium members. There's the one-on-one chat. And by the way, if you want to join the Discord, live trade with me every single day, become a member, it should be the first link in the description. But if you want to join for free, there's the free side. You can join for that to get the free course, free community, free lucky wheel you can spin. But yeah, man. Now I made some food. Alright, man, so I just finished up eating that food. Not good to lie, that was delicious. But I still want to talk about something. If you're a beginner, you're thinking, should you start trading? Yes. If you're a trader who wants to perhaps quit, and you don't trust yourself, you don't believe that you can make it, you don't believe that you can turn profitable, bro, I just wanna I cannot control you, okay? I cannot control your thinking, I cannot control your actions. But I gotta say, I was in that exact position. I wanted to quit. I didn't see any results. I didn't know what is right, what is wrong in trading. I was losing for 2 years, bro. I was losing for 2 years. But the thing that actually allowed me to push myself was my whys, at one point when I was flipping those burgers, if you don't know, I was flipping burgers to grow my live account. At that point, I already saw some, progress. When I was flipping those burgers, I realized I never ever want to be here again. I don't want to be there again, okay? It was awful, bro. It was awful. It was like greasy and shit. Obviously, I quit the job already because now that money that I made from the flipping burger job allowed me to buy some Final House past those. And now I'm making pretty good money for my age and profitable. But, you have to understand, do not give up, bro. Once you're profitable, bro, nobody can take the skill from you. No fucking body. The markets are not going to go anywhere. You got to think about it. You got to invest that time. You got to invest into yourself. You got to invest that time so you can actually become profitable. You're building something huge right here. You're building something. You're building a skill that can make you basically infinite amounts of money. I'm not trying to make trading seem too good, obviously. I'm not those fucking gurus. But it is what it's cracked up to be. It is a skill that nobody can take from you. Okay? So, obviously I cannot control you, but keep going, bro. Keep going. I believe in you, okay? I believe in you. You're going to be a success. I believe that you can continue. And I think the best part about trading is the freedom, bro. It's the freedom. It takes 1 hour of my day, 1.5 hours of my day, and I enjoy while trading. You know, I'm having a blast listening to music, chatting to my Discord while they're watching me trade, and they're making money, I'm making money. Everybody has having a good time. So I enjoy every single moment. And I think freedom is the thing that every human being deserves. You know, I think it's unfortunate that we have to, like most of the people have to like work a job that they don't like, but that's just how it goes. You know? So you gotta fucking break out of it, bro. Continue. Because the freedom, bro, the freedom, yeah, I'm not that big of a materialistic person, but the freedom, bro, that's what I like. I can do I can do the things that I want to do. I can do the things that I enjoy to do. I enjoy going to the gym. I enjoy recording these videos. That's why I'm posting so much nowadays. Like, if you haven't noticed, trading allows, and money basically allows you to do the things that you actually enjoy. Not waking up every single day to go to the place where you don't want to go. You know, that's what I had to go through when I was flipping burgers. Obviously, I didn't do it for too long, just so I can grow my live account. But that allowed me to see what I don't want to do. Okay, I don't want to flip burgers anymore. So I quit that shit, and now I'm making money. And now I can enjoy doing the things. I enjoy reading books. I enjoy recording these videos. I enjoy focusing on myself. I enjoy going to the gym. I enjoy living life, bro. Okay? I know I'm 17. The sky's the limit, bro. So I'm focusing on myself, obviously. I'm not enjoying that, okay? You gotta think what you like. Because trading can give you that. Okay? If you like freedom, sure. If you like cool stuff, sure. Continue. Okay? But yeah, man, quick little motivation, innovation. Now I'll edit this video. Comment down below what you think about this video. Did this help you, resonate with you? Thank you for watching. And join the free Discord, alright? As usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.